Hi everyone, I am Radhika Jain from Gurgaon. I belong to the Hekate's coven of my High Priestess Mrs. Pinky Punjabi and my High Priest Dr. Dharan. I recently did Wicca in the year 2024 when I went to Chennai for my initiation. Initially, I thought it is just a spell course, but no. Wicca is a journey. It is a journey to make you a powerful person. You will have your highs and lows, ups and downs, full of obstacles will come in this journey. But if you surrender to what your high priestess says, it will be a peaceful journey. My Wicca journey was very peaceful when it started. Let me show you how I celebrated a recent Wicca Sabbat Bulk. Under the guidance of my high priestess, we made a Bridget cross, decorated my temple shrine, and did a very special spell. It was special for me because for the first time I've curated a spell just by my intuition, just for me. I did a beauty spell that includes self love for me. So, what I did is I made a pentacle with the herb mix of all the herbs related to love and with the intention that it brings a lot of self love for me. I put rose petals on it. I sprinkled chamomile and lavender herbs to bring a lot of peace and calmness in my aura, a lot of self love towards me, inside me. I wanted it to do it with apple. So, what I've done is I've cut small pieces of apple and I have made a circle around the pentacle that I have made with the apple pieces. I also cut an apple in the half and placed it, sprinkled some herbs over it, and then I placed a pink candle. I rubbed the candle with love oil and sprinkled all the love herbs and sprinkled lavender and chamomile over it also, and placed the candle over the apple, and then I lit this candle and just intended towards during the spell that love comes to me, that I love my body, I love myself, and I keep myself as a priority in my life. I keep my emotions at priority, and I always do take care of my body, myself, my emotions. So, this was a very special spell because the apple that I have used here also is this apple. I've kept it on the altar on the previous day towards Hecate to bless this apple with all her blessings, so that when I do eat this or when I do something with this apple, it has the blessings of Hecate. Now let's get back to my Wicca journey. Everything is going very smooth. For me, during my journey, I realized that it is for my personal growth, how to connect with the goddess, how to worship her, how to be a devotee for your high priestess, and how to be by the side of your high priestess. Hecate has come to taught me, to make me more strong, to make my journey of self-powerment become more and more strong. And with this, I also got a level 2 initiation. I still remember I got a cute pink little cauldron from my high priest as a gift to keep on my altar. And everything was very good. But like after level 2 initiation, I am realizing that Hecate is bringing more obstacles for me, to test my strength. I just do one thing. Whenever I feel blocked, I always start chanting the Hecate and High Priestess name. And also, I'm very excited moving ahead from journey to become a High Priestess from Priestess, but always under the guidance of my High Priestess Pinky Punjabi and my High Priest Dharan. Lots and lots of love. And anyone who wants to learn Wicca or want to experience this journey, this is very beautiful journey, and you should do this. You should experience this.